First, navigate to Settings. Click on the Settings icon. Under the Store Settings section, click on Outlet Brands. A new page appears. In the top right corner of the page, you will see a button labeled Plus Outlet Brand Settings. Click this button. The Outlet Brand Settings page appears. First, we enter brand name. It's the name that distinguishes a particular set of outlets or stores from others within your overall business or system. Here, I enter Daily Fresh Mart. Next, add a description for the brand in the description field. For instance, you could type a neighborhood grocery store chain offering a wide selection of fresh produce, pantry staples, and ready-to-eat meals at competitive prices. Search field. Here, you can search for the store. Click on the Select All Stores checkbox. You'll see all the individual store checkboxes become selected. Once all the information is entered and stores are selected, click the Submit button at the bottom of the page. Thanks for watching.